how to report someone TikTok account. So in this video, I'll show you the best method to report anyone account on TikTok, and the account may get banned, or if you want just like TikTok to remove some content from that user that you report his account. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to do it. Now you don't have to open your TikTok account. All you need to do, go and open up your Chrome browser. After you open your Chrome browser, I will give you the link of this website in the description of this video. So after you tap on the link in the comment section or description of this video, it will take you to this website. Now scroll to down like this. Now after you scroll to down, at the first you can tap on this link, this first link. So after you tap on this first link, as you can see now here it says report a problem. So scroll to down and tap on this select option. So from this option now, as you can see now, you can go ahead now and select the problem. So let's say now you want to report someone's account, that like someone's account violation. Scroll to down. So you can tap on this, as you can see now, this one, report potential violation or report an underage user. So tap on this report potential violation. So tap on this select category, choose this other. So from this option now, you can go ahead and give them your email address. So your username is optional. Scroll to down. So from this option now, go ahead and copy the link of the video you want to report in this session now. After you have the link of the video, from this session now, you can go ahead and describe the video and what is not appropriate in that video that you want to report it. So from this option now, you can just go ahead and upload an image if you want, but it's optional. So from there, you can go ahead and check on this option. After you check on this, now you can tap on this submit button. From there, TikTok will review your information. If possible, they will remove the content. If not possible, they will just contact you with possible method and their last decision about the content. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.